The Duke of York has been accused of sexually abusing Ms. Giuffre, which he has repeatedly denied. Ms. Giuffre, 3, has claimed she was forced to have sex with Prince Andrew 3 times in 2001, when she was just 17. New York District Judge Lewis Kaplan received a request from the Duke's legal team to consider press reports describing Ms. Giuffre as a money-hungry sex kitten. The royals' lawyers also asked for a 139-page manuscript called The Billionaire's Playboy Club, published in 2011 and written by Ms. Giuffre about pedophile Jeffrey Epstein, to be considered in the case. Judge Kaplan dismissed the requests as a PR stunt, and said there was no proper basis to look at the articles. He added they appeared to have been submitted for whatever public relations purposes the defendant's advisors may have had in mind. Judge Kaplan agreed to consider a 2009 settlement deal between Ms. Giuffre and Mr. Epstein in his ruling, according to The Telegraph. Ms. Giuffre's legal team say the settlement was irrelevant because the Duke was not part of the proceedings and not covered by the release. They added the Duke wanted to use newspaper articles about his accuser to smear Ms. Giuffre. The Duke's lawyers want the civil action to be dismissed, said it was baseless, and added that sensationalism and innuendo have prevailed over the truth. In October, Andrew's lawyers sent a rebuttal to Ms. Giuffre's complaint, with media reports and Ms. Giuffre's manuscript attached as evidence. One of the reports from a U.S. newspaper quotes former friends who slammed Ms. Giuffre for bragging about her money. In another, her ex-boyfriend Philip Guderian, who was with her during the time she spent with Epstein, claimed she was like the head bee ***** at the pedophile Palm Beach mansion. He said in the report, she'd have 9 or 10 girls she used to bring to him. She never looked like she was being held An interview Ms. Giuffre gave the Mail on Sunday in 2011 for an alleged $160,000 was also submitted as evidence. Judge Kaplan will hear arguments on the Duke's motion to dismiss Ms. Giuffre's complaint on January 4. It comes as U.S. District Judge Loretta Preska said a document dating from 200 which allegedly protects Andrew from a lawsuit should be made public. Attorney Andrew Brettler has argued the deal, agreed between Ms. Giuffre and Mr. Epstein, also shields the prince from a separate claim brought against him by Ms. Giuffre this year. Judge Preska said on Tuesday that unless there were any valid objections by Epstein's estate, the secret settlement deal should be made public on or before the 22nd of December as part of the royals' case. She added the court questions whether any proper purpose would be served by the continued secrecy of the document save, perhaps, the dollar amount the settlement provided it for. It also comes after a woman was arrested on Friday after banging on the Duke of York's car window and shouting at him as he drove through Windsor. As Andrew drove from his Royal Lodge home on the Windsor estate to Windsor Castle, a woman started thumping on the window of his Range Rover and repeatedly yelling his name. It is thought the Duke's royal protection officer, who was in the passenger seat, radioed colleagues and the police were called.